Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laurencia, a hairstylist and makeup artist from Imo State, Nigeria, and today's makeup is on a dark skin. Is a bridal look makeup. So first of all, I'll use my micellar water to cleanse her face, to clean every dirt on her face, to make her face clean for the makeup. Then secondly, I went in with the toner to hydrate her face, and then went in with my facial mist for more moisture, and then I also went in with the essence moisturizer on her face to moisturize her face. I applied it on her face using the brush and allowed it to dry before applying my face primer. To lock in sweat, I used the Adventure Sweat Lock to apply only on her T-zone area, where I know she sweats more. I use it to apply on the T-zone area. After which I used my primer to apply on the other parts of her face. The foundation I used on her face was the Fayre Gold and the V Beauty foundation. I'll write the color of the foundation in the description box. And then I discovered that the foundation was too light for her skin, and then I used the Avour foundation to tone it down. The concealer palette I'll be using for her highlighting is the Ferrarucci concealer palette. I use a very light shade on her T-zone area, and then use a darker shade to tone it down. And then blend in with my beauty blender. My beauty blender from Omg.
Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your...
For the liquid blush, I use my lip palette to do her blush.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
and then I blend it into her skin.
That I had days full of you, before it winds down into.
After that, I contoured her face using the Avour, the dark shade I used to tone out the foundation, and after which I blended out the contour. I first of all set her face with my V Beauty press powder before using the setting powder.
Memories, it's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just tell you up there.
Before setting her face, I first of all contoured her nose. I contoured her nose using the Avour foundation.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just build you up in a tree.
To set her face, I'll be using the Airspun setting powder to set all the places I highlighted.
Got me walking side to side. I'm talking to you. See you standing over there with your body. Feeling like I wanna rock with your body. And we don't gotta think about nothing. I'm coming at you, cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter cause you give me temptation. And we don't gotta think about nothing. Been there all night, I've been there all day. And my got me walking side to side. I've been there all night, I've been there all day. And my got me walking side to side. Been trying to have a body, baby, what's it gonna hurt if they don't know? Making everybody think that we solo. Just as long as you know you got me. And boy, I got you. Guess tonight I'm making deals with the devil. And I know it's gonna get me in trouble. Just as long as you know you got me.
To remove the excess powder, I also use my palette, that's the V Beauty face palette. I use the shade, her color shade, to dust off the setting powder.
Is my mini. Body smoking, so they call me Young Nicky Chimney. Rappers and they feel it cause they feeling me. I give 0 and I got 0 shimmy.
eyes, I used the Karite gel liner and the Davis eye pencil. I did her brows off camera and then went in with the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow I used was the Blossom eyeshadow.
This touch it, have you wildin'? That's when it feels to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 riding. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you go out, let it get. Taking up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it 'cause you want, let it get. Taking up a day for you bite it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Just when it feels to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you violent. Drip, 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 drip. That's when it feels to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you violent. Don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate when you like it when you don't hesitate when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it 'cause you want, let it get. Taking up a day for you bite it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Just when it feels to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you violent. Drip, 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 drip. That's when it feels to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you violent. This type shit have you violent. That's when it feels to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you want, let it get. Taking up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when
me. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, know that. You gon' make me need bail, know that. Car dipping with your friend, you ain't even have me land. You know that. Got me a bag with a brick, you know that. Control the soul, the face to fight, go back. All this sad for real. Don't make you feel fantasy we ever been. It's all I can give you. We're for you, boy. We ain't got nothing to lose. Baby, hold it, 'cause I like the way you move. Darling, boy, you're right to me. I can do the same. Ooh, I love your taste. Boy, you're right to me. I can do the same. Ooh, I love your taste.
Biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave him the drip, they sucked it up, I got him on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night, another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' put another slave. I had that shot, not too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rap me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm working on my aim. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a better spell a name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Hey, we gotta